I got your butt. Get in your butt, Emma.
Isn't it nice that these outfits come with their little bloomers?
I know. Yeah, she only has like 2 or 3 left because when they get older, they don't make the bloomers anymore.
Well, you know, she wears, Kennedy, show her the little shorts you wear underneath your dresses. They're little
Cute.
biker shorts. So
Yeah. I know, because you don't want them really to see the underwear.
I'm funny about that now.
I would be too. It doesn't look as nice. With their kids, you're going to see their underwear.
Emma, ask nicely.
She's used to saying, please, Mom. Oh, please, Daddy. It's, her name's Kennedy, honey. You say, please, Kennedy. Can you say Kennedy? Please, Kennedy.
She said, use it, and then he went like, hi.
Do you?
Oh, hi, kiddo. You like your tent? I'm so glad you like it.
You gonna take it home with you? Hey, Emma has a puppy. Don't you, Emma?
Emma, ask nicely.
Be good.
Please, Kennedy. Say, please, Kennedy. Okay. That name's too hard for her, I think. She'd rather call her girl.
Yeah. Well, hey, listen. That works.
P girl.
We're okay with that.
I'm in. You're in. Ariel.
She can see him from.
White. Snow White.
Look at him laughing. What are you laughing at, little buddy?
Oh, this is so cute. She's pointing out all the girls.
She's laying on top. Look at that.
She was laying on
Yep.
Kennedy. This is so unlike her.
Hey, good.
Hey, girl.
Hey, girl.